daddy's favorite bartender in this beach, aka Kiki Fuck With Me. Welcome back, y'all. I told y'all I'm pumping these videos out back to back to back to back. This is what we doing. Stay tuned. If you like the last video, because we bringing the bar series back, we bringing the club shit back, we bringing the one-on-one shit back, everything that they don't really be telling y'all, we bringing it back. So like the video, because you're really not gonna get some of this shit anywhere else. It's gonna be like some mainstream bullshit, you know what I mean? This is like the low-key tea being spilled. This is the low-key tea spill in this bitch. So join the gang, subscribe, join Fuck With Me gang if you really fuck with me, like the video, you know what I'm saying? Show your support. Listen, these are common drinks in the club that like you probably didn't really learn off rip, that nobody really tells you about, that you think aren't that common, that you think that you don't need to know, but in fact you do need to know it, because every once in a blue moon you gonna get a customer that's gonna order this. So some of y'all at the bars that you work at, these are common for you, but I'm telling you, like the majority of the clubs I worked at, I really didn't think I needed to know these things, but you do. Okay, these are the drinks that if you don't know them, you're gonna get a rude awakening. It's gonna be kind of embarrassing for you not to know them. I'm just trying to save y'all from the embarrassment. So the first one is a Washington apple. Okay, this is the girl. She's real bougie. She's a female. She's bougie. She's a frequent bar goer. She sits at the bar and she waits for dudes to buy her drinks that she actually wants to order. This is a tasty drink if you like that apple flavor. So Washington apple is gonna be your Canadian whiskey, your cranberry juice, and your apple sour pucker. Or you can just skip all the liqueurs and just go straight in with Crown apple and some cranberry juice. It's real fucking simple. Got your hurricane. And this is a drink that bartenders really be messing up if they don't have the ingredients behind the bar, because it's very rare that bartenders have these ingredients to use for this drink. Okay, so most bartenders make a hurricane wrong, and some people say there's no wrong or right way to make drinks, but there's a standard recipe. I'm just gonna give y'all the standard just so y'all know, okay? And most of y'all can't make it behind the bar because you don't have passion fruit juice, or passion fruit syrup, okay? So it's gonna come with basically rum, passion fruit juice, or passion fruit syrup, depending on what your bar supply has, orange juice, lime juice, simple syrup, grenadine, period. If you're using passion fruit syrup, go ahead and just skip the simple syrup because it's gonna have too much sugar in it, period. So yes, don't forget that lime juice. Just a little splash of lime juice, okay? Goes a long way. Next drink that you think that you don't need to know, but you do need to know, is a Royal Flush, okay? So your Royal Flush is going to be your Crown Royal Canadian whiskey, cranberry juice, raspberry liqueur, and peach schnapps. Boom. There you go. A Jolly Rancher. I've had like a few customers order this for me and I'm looking like, I don't know how to make it. I remember in the beginning, I did not know how to make it. Jolly Rancher is just apple, vodka, cranberry juice, peach schnapps. Real simple. If you can remember vodka cranberry, but it's supposed to be apple flavored, and add that peach schnapps in there, you're good. It's a Vegas bomb, and a lot of people have been making it a little too simple, simpler than it's supposed to be. A lot of people think of a Vegas bomb, they just think of vodka and Red Bull. But it's actually supposed to be, so in that shot that gets dropped into the Red Bull, it's a fun drink, okay? Vegas Bomb is a fun drink. A Vegas Bomb is your Royal Flush in the shot dropped into Red Bull. But a lot of people add Malibu to that shot, so it's gonna be your... Alright y'all, it's gonna be your Canadian whiskey, your peach schnapps, cranberry juice, and a little bit of Malibu dropped into a glass of Red Bull. The buttery nipple. That's the next one that you think that you don't need to know, but yes, you do. That's just 2 ingredients layered. It's gonna be your butterscotch liqueur and then your Bailey's right on top, your Irish cream. That's it. They talking about peach schnapps. They talking about coffee liqueur. They're talking about the slippery nipple, which is just the Irish cream and sambuca. It's like, no, y'all doing too much. See, y'all overcomplicating things. And lastly is one that probably nobody knows. And it is the cognac and Grand Marnier. So everybody thinks that that's a French connection, and that's not a French connection. A French connection is cognac and amaretto. Let's do that again. Beautiful, cognac, Grand Marnier. French connection, cognac, amaretto. Simple as that. There's other ones, but this is simply for the club. You know what I'm saying? Simply for the club, or if you're like a lounge and y'all are open during the day and then y'all turn into a nightclub at night. These are some fun little drinks that you should know, like leading up to the night. In the club, like, let's not kid ourselves. Most of the time people will just tell you what they want. I want rum and coke, I want Jack and Coke, I want Henny, I want vodka cranberry, I want Tito's, and like, they'll go by the brand and tell you what they want to mix it with. That's the best thing about when you're a bartender in the club, especially when you're a beginner. It's easy to learn because it's just mixed drinks, but you don't want to get into bad habits or get comfortable into thinking that you don't need to like expand your bar knowledge, because you do. And if you don't, then you're gonna be making money right here when you could be making money right here with the rest of us experts, okay? And I wouldn't consider myself an expert. I'm just trying to make some bread, like, and you know, show these hoes how I made it. Or I'm just trying to get this money, but also put other people on. And that's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm making this series, because anybody can do it if you want to learn. And if you love a good tasty ass cocktail, or if you like to mix things, if you're a mixologist, then bartending might be for you. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Like it right now. Like it. I'll wait. Now subscribe. Alright, cool, we good. Come back tomorrow because I'm gonna have another video. I'm dropping videos every motherfucking day. Let's go.